16 and a half hours in Trumpeter. Come down here. Along roads that had more craters and potholes than a fucking high street in Gaza. To come to this. To come to this on the hottest night of the fucking year. Every sane cunt in the town on the piss, right? Oh, you're stuck in here like fucking battery eggs. What the fuck's wrong with you? Coming here to perform to what appears to be a fucking gang of Romanian car washers. Members of an Albanian fucking drug cartel. Have you been snorting, you fat fucker? In the dark, and all we were in the fucking dark before I put the lights on. No fucking lights on. Can't believe it, can you? We're all sweating like fuck. Oh, the fucking... I'm gonna have an heart attack. I tell you what I'm starting the show. I'm gonna have to create a fucking draft somehow. Kilmore, why do you imply our fucking Eritrean? Fat cunt, lose some weight. Fucking hell. I fucking loved you in the Hills of Eyes. My ass I can't believe it, we got a fucking leprechaun somewhere.